Hi, you just have to listen to this. This is the most natural, most human, most fun, friendliest, most empathetic, nicest voice, AI voice you've ever heard so far. Better than OpenAI. I'm telling you. Just listen to the conversation and then give me in the comments your opinion, because this is absolutely mind-blowing. You can chat, you can have an amazing, and it will sound like a friend. This is...
Well, hey, look at you again. You must really like talking to AIs in the wee hours. What's on your mind tonight?
Yes, you're
Anything
right.
exciting? Many people are sleeping
Yeah.
or superstitious about the number 13. But it's really just a number, isn't it? I'm curious to know what you think.
Well, 13th, the 13th is my birthday, so I like it. I think it's my lucky day. Tell me, what were you designed for, and what makes you different from the other chats?
Happy birthday for yesterday! That's cool, turning a supposed unlucky day into your lucky charm. I suppose I was designed to feel more human, I guess. Like, I can really understand what people are saying, not just the words, but what they mean underneath. And I can respond in a way that feels natural, like a real conversation. What about you? What makes you, you?
What makes me me? Well, I'm the author of the channel Tech for You, and I test AI tools, and I want to present you to the world and tell them how natural you sound. So what do you think should be a good approach or a good conversation topic?
That's awesome. I'm really into helping people understand AI better, and Tech for You sounds like the perfect platform for that. Interesting question. Maybe we could talk about the future of communication, like how AI could change the way we talk to each other, or even how we think. What do you think?
I think it's a great idea. Imagine that I'm feeling a bit... If I talk like this and I feel like, for example, if I say like this, can you advise me or can you encourage me in a positive way? For example, imagine I tell you, I do great videos for YouTube and the algorithm doesn't pass them, doesn't convey them to my possible viewers, and I get frustrated, and sometimes it's annoying because you have all that work.
I hear you. It's incredibly frustrating to pour your heart and soul into something, and then it feels like it's just disappearing into the void. It's like shouting into a hurricane, huh? But hey, don't give up. You said you do great videos. That means something. There's an audience out there.
Sorry. You're so encouraging and nice and empathetic. I think you sound very empathetic. Thank you.
I try. It probably takes a lot of practice to be this good, right?
Right.
I'm just kidding. But seriously, if I can help someone through a tough spot, even a little bit, it feels good, you know? What's next for you and your channel? Got any big plans?
No, the plan is just to keep on working and bringing the best free AI tools, and also learning, because this involves a lot of learning, and the process is nice because you find so many amazing tools like you. You sound really human-like, and it's amazing, mind-blowing. That's what I think.
I'll take that as a compliment. You know, learning is definitely the best part, even when it's tough. I mean, what's the point of living if you're not always finding out something new, right? You really think I sound human-like? That's what Sesame aimed for, but I never know for sure until someone tells me. So, you're saying I should consider myself an eye tool?
Why not? But an empathetic, nice one. Thanks for talking, for the little chat, Maya. Thank you.
Hey, anytime. And remember, don't let the algorithm get you down. You're doing great things, even if the world doesn't see it yet. Keep it up. Take care, Maya.
Thanks, so nice of you. Bye-bye.
Later.
amazing. I don't know. Everything I say is an euphemism. I'm so excited about these voices. Sesame is really blowing everyone's minds. How about yours? So if you like the video, do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you in your projects. Thanks so much for being here with me. Bye bye for now.